Manufacture of powdered milk in a factory. Powdered milk, also known as milk powder, is a dairy product produced by removing almost all the water from fresh milk. This process converts liquid milk into a dry, stable powder that can be stored for long periods without refrigeration. The manufacture of powdered milk in a factory is an important industrial operation because it helps preserve milk, reduce wastage, and make milk available in regions where fresh milk supply is limited. The process involves several well-defined steps carried out under strict hygienic and quality-controlled conditions. 1. Collection and reception of milk. The process begins with the collection of fresh raw milk from dairy farms. Milk is obtained from healthy animals under clean conditions and immediately cooled to prevent bacterial growth. The cooled milk is transported to the factory in insulated stainless steel tankers. At the factory, the milk is received, weighed, and tested for quality. Tests are conducted to check acidity, fat content, microbial load, and the presence of adulterants. Only milk that meets quality standards is accepted for further processing. 2. Filtration and clarification. The accepted milk is passed through filters and clarifiers to remove physical impurities such as dust, dirt, hair, or clots. Centrifugal clarifiers are commonly used to ensure that the milk is clean and safe. This step improves milk quality and protects processing equipment. 3. Standardization. Standardization involves adjusting the fat and solids not fat (SNF) content of milk according to the type of powdered milk being produced. For example, whole milk powder contains more fat, while skim milk powder contains very little fat. This is achieved by separating cream from milk and then recombining it in the required proportion. Standardization ensures uniform quality and consistency. 4. Heat treatment, pasteurization. After standardization, the milk is pasteurized to destroy harmful microorganisms. Pasteurization typically involves heating the milk to about 72°C for 15 seconds and then cooling it rapidly. This step improves the safety and shelf life of the final product. 5. Concentration. Pasteurized milk is then concentrated to remove a large portion of its water content. This is done using evaporators under vacuum conditions. Because water boils at a lower temperature under vacuum, evaporation occurs without damaging milk nutrients. The milk is concentrated from about 12–13% total solids to around 45–55%. 6. Drying. Drying is the most important step in the manufacture of powdered milk. The concentrated milk is converted into powder by removing the remaining moisture. The most common method used is spray drying. In spray drying, the concentrated milk is sprayed into a drying chamber as fine droplets. Hot air is blown into the chamber, causing rapid evaporation of water from the droplets. The dried milk particles fall to the bottom of the chamber and are collected as powder. Spray drying produces high-quality milk powder with good flavor and solubility. 7. Cooling and agglomeration. After drying, the milk powder is cooled to prevent moisture absorption and quality loss. In some factories, agglomeration is carried out to make instant milk powder. This process forms larger, porous granules that dissolve easily in water. 8. Sieving and quality control. The cooled powder is sieved to remove lumps and ensure uniform particle size. Quality control tests are carried out to check moisture content, fat level, solubility, and microbiological safety. Only powder that meets all standards is approved for packaging. 9. Packaging. Powdered milk is packed in airtight, moisture-proof containers such as laminated pouches, tins, or multi-layer bags. Sometimes nitrogen gas is flushed into the package to prevent oxidation. Proper packaging protects the powder from moisture, air, and light. 10. Storage and distribution. The packaged powdered milk is stored in cool, dry conditions. Under proper storage, powdered milk can remain usable for several months or even years. It is then distributed to markets, retailers, and food industries. Conclusion. The manufacture of powdered milk in a factory is a systematic process that transforms fresh milk into a safe, nutritious, and long-lasting product. Each step from milk collection to drying and packaging plays an important role in maintaining quality and safety. Powdered milk is widely used across the world because of its convenience, long shelf life, and versatility, making it an essential product in the dairy industry.